This August, we'll be offering a special couples-only training event hosted in the beautiful rolling hills of Ohio.
Women shooting on the range together as a team.
We'll provide a safe, warm environment where couples can practice with their firearms and learn important life-saving skills.
With their partners, I feel like would just be a good atmosphere for women to get more comfortable.
This is more than just a training event.
We're really looking forward to this event. Not only are we going to spend some quality time with our husbands, but we're going to have some lady time too.
The weekend experience includes lodging at the luxurious Hotel Covington. Overlooking the Ohio River, you'll enjoy delicious meals and spa treatments. You'll be shooting at Impact Shooting Center, a purpose-built, members-only outdoor range with all the proper amenities. This special event is designed for couples who are interested in learning together, all while strengthening their bonds and relationship.
I know for me that I want to protect myself and my family, and I don't want to have to rely on my husband always being there.
Absolutely, it's a real confidence builder, and you just kind of feel like a badass when you can handle a weapon, and you know that deep down, if something were to happen, there's no doubt I'm going to miss or something bad's going to happen to me because I can take care of myself.
Very good. Elapsed time 2:01.
Hey guys, wanted to talk to you for a minute about our couples only event. So we've set this up in beautiful Cincinnati, Ohio, right on the Kentucky border. It's going to be awesome. We're going to be at Hotel Covington. We told you about some of that stuff in this video, and we're going to be at Impact Shooting Center. Fantastic location. We've held classes there before. We wanted to put together a place where you can come and learn actual skills that can save you in all kinds of situations in life. We also want to create an environment where you are going to learn together, so when you go back to your home range, your gym, you guys have a system, you and your partner, your spouse, on how to train together. So this is going to be shooting. We're going to be talking about some medical stuff. We're going to be talking about how to make your home a place that burglars don't want to come to. We're going to be talking about how you can keep your kids safe in this world. We're going to even talk a little bit of cybersecurity stuff, because all of this affects us as families. And don't forget, all the meals are included, and this isn't Mickey D's. This is top-notch food from a very fine chef. We also have all the lodging included. Dynamite Hotel. This isn't some roadside dive. This is a very posh, high-end hotel that we're also going to have some spa treatments for. Heck yeah. So if you want a discount on it, early bird rate ends April 30th. This event will fill up. We've already had a ton of people sign up for the event. Don't wait.